If your four-wheel drive or car's been let down by hazy, foggy headlights, then listen up. The Meguiars two-step headlight restoration kit is exactly what you need, and it's way easier than you might think. We're about to demonstrate on this Prado behind me. Now, the Meguiars kit has pretty much everything you're gonna need to do this job. The only two things we recommend you getting, one is a clean microfiber cloth. It's gonna help you with wiping some of the overspray off, and the other is some masking tape. Now, this is pretty important because this is gonna help protect the area around the headlight. So, what are the steps? Well, step one is start off with a clean car. Make sure the car is clean, the headlights are nice and washed. You also don't want to be doing this job in direct sunlight. So somewhere shady where the car's totally dry is absolutely paramount. First step is you're going to take one of your applicator pads as well as the cleaning solution. Now this is where you're going to put around a 20-cent piece size dollop right on the applicator pad, and you're basically going to go back and forth motions across the entirety of the headlight until the entire headlight has an equally hazy appearance about it. Once you've done that, you're going to know it's time to move on to the next step. That's where you're going to grab your cloth, dip it in a bit of water, make sure it's damp. You're going to then wipe over the headlight. Get all that, the cutting compound, the cleaning off the headlight. That's when you're ready to move on to the coating stage. So the next step, once you've done cleaning and you've polished up the headlight, then you grab yourself your headlight coating. Now this is the easiest part, and this is where actually the masking tape helps, because you don't want to get this stuff in your paint. You literally pull this off, it's an aerosol can, you spray it back and forth over the headlight, getting equal coating. You let it sit for 3 to 5 minutes, you go ahead and you do a second coat, again covering the entire light. And that's it, 2 coats, done. How easy is that? The important thing to note is once you have sprayed this product on, you don't want to expose the vehicle to water or any adverse conditions for around 24 hours. That's how long the headlight coating takes to fully cure. Bada bing, bada boom, your car is going to look $1 million in no time. Now, if you do want to buy this product, find out more about our entire car cleaning range at thesparesbox.com.au.